Hello, my YouTube friends. Guess what day it is? It's time for a burping video. Oh yeah. A lot of exhaust coming out. Alright, so I'm not exactly sure which burping video this is. So I'll have to find out. Anyway. So, let's start this video. First off, to all my fans and my special fan, hello YouTube, and hello. Ooh, said hello YouTube 3 times already. I don't know why I said it that way. So let's begin. I said that twice already. For God's sakes. Alright, anyway. I said anyway for a couple times already. I'll stop it. Ooh. Now, let's see if we can get me 500 views on this video. 1,000, that would be awesome. And if you guys like this video, subscribe. So, let's begin. Lucas the Awesome One is in the house. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, was that cool? I don't think I understood that. What's wrong? Maybe I'm having heartburn from burping too much. Okay. Man, that's hard. Hold yourself, holding yourself. Can't do that. For those of you who don't know, a school bus just went behind me. I don't know why. Just kidding, it's a school day, I know why. Okay, I'm just kidding. I did that on purpose. I did that in this once a video to make it look like I'm gonna burp and I fail. Now, this is not a fail. It was a little better. Tastes like pickles. Oh, it smells like pickles. I haven't had pickles. Why does it smell like pickles? It smells like pizza. Pizza. Oh, smells like toothpaste. It tastes like toothpaste. No. Silence. I can't. Okay, I'm sorry, let me restate that one. Silence again. Toothpaste. It's horrible. Yo, silence. I'm fine. Perfectly fine. How are you? Oh my god. I'm the burping master. Evil laugh. No, that's not working. My evil laugh without me burping sounds like. Oh god. My chest is getting tight. Why? Oh, that was a big motherfucker. The bus has just passed me again. Oh, now it's starting to smell in the house. Did you just fart? Yes, I burped. Yes, I'm pretty sure you know what a burp is. I've been doing it the entire time. For those of you who don't know what a burp is, behold. Nope, that's not quite the word for burp. Nope, that's not it either. Burp. Oh, that's the word for background. I'm just kidding. Let's get a really big one in here. Oh. So much air. Ah. I'm sorry, I'm making myself laugh too. Am I on something? The answer is yes. It's called. What's the name? Nope, that's not it. I'm on. Methane gas. For those of you who don't know, burping contains some methane gas. But most of it, no. Like, only 1%, less than 1% contains methane gas. So it's the truth. A lot of it's actually... That wasn't supposed to be in the video! I'm sorry. I'm sorry, that's not part of the burping video. I wasn't planning on that. I ruined your experience. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't ruin your experience. You're still getting a whole bunch of big-ass burps. Such as this one. Gotcha. Just kidding. This is a big-ass burp. If you don't like that one, if you want a bigger one, let's try a higher decibel. Volume up. I think I blew the speakers. Turn the volume down a little bit. There was a decent one. Not to put my evil plan in motion with all this methane gas around me. Oh, God damn it. Oh my God. So much methane gas. Help me. Help me. Help me. Okay, that one actually made me laugh. Help me! Help me! I'm good. I'm gonna try to do a really long burp. Okay. You will get one more burp, and then you will get to my comments. Oh, damn! Alright, damn! Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, YouTube, if you like this video, click the like button and then subscribe, and check out more videos that I've done on my channel. Peace out, YouTube. I have a present for you.